Why do you think it happened?
Because he was just eating, so he... Just like how normal people get hiccups. What? Why are you saying shh? Move your hand, your arm's covering his face. Keep pooping. Don't undo it.
This isn't waterproof.
Never.
No, it's not.